Hey everyone! If you're a teenager looking to start a simple, effective skincare routine, you're in the right place. No complicated steps, no expensive products, just the basics to keep your skin fresh, healthy, and glowing. Let's get into it. First up, cleansing. Your skin goes through a lot during the day: oil, dirt, sweat, so washing your face twice a day, morning and night, is key. Use a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser suited for your skin type. Avoid harsh scrubs, your skin will thank you. Next, hydration. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is a must. A lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer keeps your skin balanced and prevents dryness. If your skin is dry, opt for a hydrating formula with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. This step is non-negotiable. Sunscreen. UV rays can damage your skin and cause premature aging, even if you don't see it. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen every morning. Even on cloudy days, your future self will thank you. Bonus tips. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Good skin starts from within. And remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, and your skin will adjust over time. And that's it. A super simple, beginner-friendly skincare routine for teens. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy skincare tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time. Upbeat outro music, subscribe button animation.